Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to review on the very important college under WBJI, that is the Narula Institute of Technology, Agarpara, Kolkata. So guys, in this video I will tell you complete detail about this college, what is the placement statistics of this college, what is the campus, what is the other important opportunity available in this college, okay, whether there is a good placement or not, whether should you take this college or not, okay. So if you are the students who are planning to take admission to this college, then this video is very informative to you, okay. So in this video I will give you complete detail about this college, okay. So before moving to the video guys, if you are new to watch, support my channel for getting such informative content, because beside getting college with various important video related to, okay, after getting into the college you will get various important video related to that. You will also get my personal notes of first year, second year, third year later too, okay. So make sure to support and subscribe our channel guys, okay. So let us come to our review, that is the Narula Institute of Technology, Agarpara, Kolkata. So friends, Narula Institute of Technology, okay. So sorry for the mistake here, okay, actually a spelling mistakes, sorry for that, okay. So friend, talking a little bit more that what are the things that I am going to cover in this video. So as I have said earlier, I will tell you about the campus, about the infrastructure, about the placement, ki placement kaisa hai, okay, because this is the most important parameter that most of the students want to talk, okay. Then cutoff, then fee structure, and very important how to get into this college, and last is again very important that the pros and cons of this college, okay. So coming to our first, this is actually campus view of Narula Institute of Technology, and no doubt a beautiful greenless campus, okay, and yeah, average type of campus, not much more basically you can say larger, not more smaller, yeah, average campus, okay. Talking about the important thing that yeah, this college is NAAC A grade affiliated, जो कि बहुत अच्छा होता है, okay, and this is basically under the MAKAUT, that is the Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University of Technology, guys, okay. Talking a little bit more about this college, so this is, as I have said, that this is basically a part of the GIS group, okay. GIS group के अंदर बहुत सारा कॉलेज भी आता है, okay, जिसमें ये भी है, okay, NAAC grade A affiliated, that I have already talked, okay, and it's actually in the Kolkata, okay, and almost all courses are NBA accredited, okay. Coming to our very important thing, that is the infrastructure. So what are the various important things available into this college, okay. So in terms of infrastructure, also fine, okay, laboratory, all types of laboratory facility available, okay, related to computer science, related to mechanical, electrical, all types of separate library available. Besides that, hostel for both boys and girls, can have a canteen facility, not much more good, but yeah, available, okay. Then gymnasium, environmental impact, okay, seminar hall, language lab, smart classroom lab, okay, and video conferencing room. So these are the infrastructure available, means the basic infrastructure that a college need is available in this college, guys, okay. So infrastructure मामले में ठीक है, okay. Talking about the courses, what are the various courses that is basically offered by this college? So this college offer various UG and PG courses, okay. Besides that, this college also offer BBA, BCA, okay. So if you wanna take admission to BBA and BCA, then this may be also good, okay, option for you, okay. So talking about the BTech, so what are the various branches available? So almost 11 branches available, okay. So computer science engineering 180 seats, EC 156, IT 126, civil engineering 66, electrical engineering 66, computer science and technology 66, okay, and remaining seats you can clearly visualize, guys, okay. Talking about the PG courses, that is approval by basically that is for the MTech and MCA, okay. So if you are not done MTech or MCA, then total seats for the computer science engineering 18, EC 12 seats, and electronics and power system 12 seats, civil engineering, structural engineering 30 seats, master of computer application, that is MCA 60 seats, guys, okay. Talking about the BBA, so if you want to do BBA, then BBA in hospitality management 60 seats, and bachelor in business administration BBA 90 seats, and friends आप BBA या BCA करना चाहते हैं तो these are the important seats available, okay. Talking about the next very important things, and coming to our next very important point, guys, that is what are the facilities available in this college, okay. So yeah, all types of basic facilities available, as I have said, central library, seminar or medical center, okay, different laboratory, cafeteria, and one of the very important thing, that research opportunity also available in this college, that is good for any college, okay. Then also have a sports and games facility, because yeah, average type of campus as well, so these type of basic facility available, okay. Talking about the later important things, ये college का college fest होता है, okay. Every college have some different college fest, such as the AOT have Arcadia, another Haldia, means Haldia का different होता है college fest. So similarly, this college also have a college fest, namely Kritanj and Navodaya, okay. So these are the college fest जो कि आप college fest भी enjoy करेंगे, okay, where various separate important artists also came, okay. Talking about the important thing, that is the placement, guys, okay, because you know friends, placement is very important for any college, okay. So talking about the placement statistics of this, so for the CSE IT almost 85 to 90%, okay. For specialization courses 70 to 80%, 65 to 70 5% in EC and less than 60% for mechanical, electrical and other branches, guys. Okay, so placement statistics for scenario of 2023 ongoing. Okay, and this is the basically data that I have taken from the official website of the Narula. Okay, so आप देख सकते हैं till now in 2023 18 LP highest package गया and in 2022 27 LP highest package. Okay, and various important thing that 89% students basically opt for the placement, 3% for higher studies, entrepreneur 1% and 8 to be placed 7%. तो 7% student अभी तक place नहीं हुए. This is the scenario of 2023. Okay, so remember guys, this is the data that I have taken from their official website. Okay, and I have also basically go through the review in LinkedIn other things. Then मुझे लगा यार ठीक college है. Okay, at the average and good ranker. Okay, talking about the various companies, so there are lots of companies available to this college. Okay, talking about the some important that the Wipro, Cognizant, Capgemini, Amazon बहुत कम बार होता है, but once they come then you know they include in their brochure. Okay, besides that TCS also came. Okay, Deloitte, Cognizant, so they are the important basically company that visit into this college, guys. Okay, talking about the very important things to how to get into this college. Okay, इस college में admission कैसे ले. Okay, so you can get into admission through WBJE, GLAT, JEE Main. Okay, so only 10% seats are reserved for the JEE Main candidates and 80% for the WBJE, 10% seats for the management quota. Okay, or you can say through direct admissions. Okay, if you want to take direct admission to this college, then you can also contact us. We will provide help you in the admission support. Okay, if you are interested. Okay, so friends, talking about the large very important thing, that is the fee structure of this college. Okay, so talking about the fee structure, so for the BTech, okay, at the time of admission you have to pay 76,300 and total in overall means in 4 years you have to pay 5.5 lakhs. Okay, so little bit higher, but yeah, average. Okay, for the BTech lateral student 3.6 lakhs approx. Okay, at the time of admission you have to pay 86,000. Okay, in the first semester, guys. Okay, that you can say that in the third semester. Okay, for the MCA total fee structure is approx 3 lakh. You can clearly that for MTech 2.25 lakhs. Other important courses fee clearly visualized, guys. Okay, talking about the last and very important thing, that is the cutoff, guys. Okay, because you know friends, cutoff is very important for any college. Okay, and to take admission to this you need the valid cutoff. Okay, so this is the previous year cutoff. Okay, I will also provide this PDF in my WhatsApp and Telegram group. Okay, so if you haven't joined that WhatsApp group, then join that group. Okay, because that will be really helpful for you in upcoming days too. Okay, after WBJE counseling, in the WBJE counseling too. So बात करते हैं round 2 cutoff for the EC TFW candidates till 23,000 आपका रैंक है. Then if you are TFW candidate, then you can easily get into this. Okay, for the IT information technology for general candidates, means all India candidates, till 32,000. Okay, and remember guys, at a average and low rank, this is a very good college. Okay, you can opt for that. And CSC cutoff is around 27 to 26,000. Okay, for CSC in AIML 44,000 till आपका rank है, then you can easily get into this. Mechanical engineering 62,000, that I will suggest not to take. Okay, besides that you can opt for other important colleges such as the Haldia or Technomen. You can get mechanical, electrical easily there. Okay, if you wanna take. Okay, computer science and technologies 41,000 तक इसमें जाता है भाई कट ऑफ. Okay, so these are the various cut off. Okay, I will also provide description for detail. You can look over that. Okay, so this is the complete detail, guys. Okay, here guys, they haven't just mentioned, as I have already said, the WBJE have not given the cutoff list for the round 3. Okay, but talking about that, so yeah, little bit margin about 1,000 to 1,500 आप इससे अगर approx आपका rank भी है, then strong chance that you can get. Remember guys, what I am saying that strong chance. Okay, means how you are doing counseling. Okay, आप किस तरह से counseling कर रहे हैं, that depend a lot. Okay, अगर आप counseling अच्छे से करेंगे, अच्छे से priority list setup करेंगे, then you will certainly get into this college, guys. Okay, so if you want a paid counseling at nominal price, then you can also contact us and fill up our Google form link provided in the description. Okay, यहाँ पर आपको form fill up करेंगे, we will provide full support to you in getting good college. So friends, this is the complete review of the very important college, that is the Narula Institute of Technology, Agarbara, Kolkata. I hope guys that your all doubt regarding this college is clear. Okay, but if still you have any doubt related to this, feel free to ask here, comment here. Okay, I will feel very happy to help you. Okay, कोई भी doubt है, and for the it's basically paid counseling at nominal price. Okay, if you want to get good college according to your rank, you can also fill up our form. Okay, we will provide full support you in getting good college, and after getting into college too, we will contact with you related to various notes and other things. So this is complete detail about that. Hope informative to you. आप comment कर सकते हैं कि on which college you want the review in the next video. Okay, and here guys, I will provide abundant number of video in WBJE counseling. Okay, so for that keep supporting. Okay, until then, bye bye, meet you in the next video. Jai Hind.